Your 5-minute commute to Singapore with a JB home. Let's be real, the daily crawl across the causeway is soul-crushing. The current commute by bus or car can easily take 1 to 2 hours or more during peak periods. But what if you could trade that 2-hour grind for a 5-minute breeze? Picture it, it's 6 p.m. You've just clocked out from your office in Singapore's CBD. But instead of being stuck in a sea of brake lights, you're already home in Johor Bahru, kicking back by the pool. It sounds like a fantasy, right? For the thousands who battle the traffic, the crowds, and the pure exhaustion of the daily JB Singapore commute, that dream feels a million miles away. It's a grind that literally steals hours from your life. Hours you could be spending with your family, hitting the gym, or just, well, not sitting in traffic. Agitate. And this isn't just about traffic, it's the time you'll never get back. It's the stress that sticks to you long after you finally parked. And of course, it's the financial pressure. The insane cost of rent in Singapore backs a lot of people into a corner. You end up paying a massive premium for a shoebox-sized apartment, just to be a little closer to work. You're earning Singapore dollars in one of the world's most expensive cities, but it feels like you're constantly playing catch-up. That dream of owning a spacious home, of having some financial breathing room, it feels like it's slipping away. But what if the solution wasn't a dream? What if it was a rapidly approaching reality, being set in concrete and steel as we speak? The game changer is the Johor Bahru Singapore Rapid Transit System Link, or RTS. This isn't just another infrastructure project. It's a complete rewrite of the cross-border rulebook. Set to be completed by the end of 2026, this high-capacity line will connect Woodlands North in Singapore directly to Bukit Chagar in Johor Bahru. And the journey time? A mind-blowing 5 minutes. No, that's not a typo. 5 minutes. The system is a beast, designed to carry up to 10,000 passengers an hour in each direction, which will completely transform the daily commute. On top of that, the customs, immigration and quarantine facilities are co-located. This means you clear both Malaysian and Singaporean immigration at your departure point. No more getting off a bus, clearing one checkpoint, getting back on and doing it all over again. It's one seamless trip. The RTS isn't just a train, it's a doorway to a totally new lifestyle. It makes working in Singapore while living in a spacious, affordable JB home not just possible, but a seriously smart move. Section 2. The new commuter trinity. Time, money, lifestyle. So, how does this actually translate into a better life for you? It really boils down to 3 huge wins: reclaiming your time, transforming your money, and upgrading your lifestyle. First, time. That 5-minute RTS journey gives you back the most valuable thing you have. Those 2 or 3 hours lost to the causeway every day, they're yours again. That's 10 to 15 hours a week. Over a month, that's more than 2 full days of your life back in your hands. Second, money. This is where the numbers get really interesting. The cost of property in Johor Bahru is just a fraction of what you'd pay in Singapore. While there's generally a minimum purchase price of R1 million for foreigners in Johor, certain projects and special economic zones have legal exemptions allowing you to buy quality homes for less. Compare that to the millions you'd need for a similar-sized apartment in Singapore. This isn't just about saving. It's about building actual wealth. Plus, the investment angle is compelling. Gross rental yields for well-located condos in JB are seeing returns of 5 to 7%, which is substantially higher than what you typically find in Singapore, though of course this can vary with the market. Third, lifestyle. This is what you get when you combine more time and more money. It's the difference between a cramped 600 square foot one-bedder and a spacious 200 square foot 3-bedroom condo. It's having resort-style facilities like infinity pools, sky gyms, and tennis courts right at your doorstep. It's about diving into Johor's amazing food scene, buzzing cafes, and affordable entertainment, all while earning a strong Singapore salary. You get the best of both worlds, without the classic compromises. The properties that unlock the 5-minute commute. Okay, let's talk strategy. To make this work, proximity is everything. We aren't talking about a 20-minute drive to the station. We're talking about true S-tier properties, developments that are a short, easy walk from the Bukit Chagar RTS station. Let's look at 3 prime examples that turn this 5-minute commute into a concrete plan. First up, the king of convenience, R&F Princess Cove. This isn't just a condo, it's a massive integrated township. It's designed around the Hopska concept. Hotels, offices, parks, shopping malls, clubhouses and apartments. But its undisputed trump card is the 650-meter fully sheltered pedestrian bridge connecting the development directly to the JBCIQ and the upcoming RTS station. You can literally walk from your front door to the immigration gates in about 7 to 10 minutes, completely sheltered from the sun and rain. With a mall, supermarket, and even an opera house right downstairs, RNF Princess Cove is an entire ecosystem built for the ultimate cross-border commuter. Next, for those who value a bit more privacy, we have Tri Tower Residence. If RNF is a bustling ecosystem, Tri Tower is a private sanctuary. Located just a stone's throw from the RTS, we're talking a genuine 3 to 5 minute walk to the station. Completed in 2018, this is a proven high-end luxury development. Its main selling point is exclusivity. With only 4 apartments per floor served by 4 lifts, you get a sense of personal space that's incredibly rare in such a central spot. The units are finished with premium materials like marble and teak wood, and its sky bridge offers a stunning 360-degree view of the city. Tri Tower hits that perfect balance of immediate RTS access and a calm private living environment. Finally, for the ultimate lifestyle upgrade, there's the Astaka, Air 1 Bukit Chagar. This one is for those who refuse to compromise on space. As one of the tallest residential towers in Southeast Asia, the Astaka is all about pure, unadulterated luxury. It's a slightly longer walk at around 15 minutes, or a quick 3 to 5 minute drive from the RTS. But what you get in return is space and lots of it. We are talking about sprawling units that start from 2,207 square feet, the size of a landed home, but in a luxury high-rise format. Each residence even comes with its own private lift lobby, ensuring ultimate privacy. This isn't just an apartment, it's a mansion in the sky. For anyone feeling priced out of a large family home in Singapore, the Astaka makes a powerful statement. Why squeeze into a small apartment when you can live in a palace in the sky? Just minutes from the RTS. We've covered a lot, from the game-changing RTS to the specific properties that can anchor this new lifestyle. If you're finding this valuable and it's sparking some ideas, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. We're all about giving you the sharpest analysis of the JB property market for Singapore commuters. So let's go back to where we started. That 6 p.m. commute, the choice between a 2-hour crawl and a 5-minute train ride home. This is no longer a what if. The Johor Bahru Singapore RTS Link is making this a reality. By the end of 2026, the entire dynamic between these two cities will have changed for good. The opportunity to live in a spacious, luxurious home in Johor Bahru while earning a Singapore salary is here. Properties like RNF Princess Cove with its direct sheltered walkway, the exclusive Tri Tower residence just steps from the station, and the palatial Astaka offering an incredible lifestyle upgrade are the keys to unlocking this new reality. The 5-minute commute from a Singapore office to a JB home isn't a fantasy anymore. With a bit of smart planning, it can be your reality. The future of cross-border living is arriving, and it's faster, more affordable, and more luxurious than ever before. If you're ready to stop dreaming and start planning, the time to act is now. Each of these properties has unique advantages, and finding the right fit for your goals, whether for investment, your family, or your own daily commute, is crucial. For a personalized consultation to see which of these developments aligns with your vision, my contact details are in the description below. Send me a message and let's start building your 5-minute commute.